They say success leaves clues. But what if those clues reveal a dark secret? Imagine landing your dream job, working under someone you admire, only to discover that their empire might be built on stolen ideas. Would you trade your values for success or walk away with your integrity intact? It's another broken pen night. And we're coming to you live from MX24 TV right here in East Legon. Remember, you can join the conversation on all our social media platforms at MX24GH with the hashtag Broken Pen, or send us your messages via our WhatsApp number 0550-331-511, 0550-331-511. Of course, my name is Yabita. And with me tonight, I've got Miller Gregg. He's a social media content creator and a stand-up comedian. Hi Greg, how you doing?
I'm doing so well.
You're doing well.
Yeah.
I like that you're wearing black with a hint of red and I'm wearing red.
Aww.
It's like we're matching.
Very matching.
You know, we're in tune.
You know how
That's how in tune we are. Thank you so much for coming tonight. How's your month been? The month of September, how has it been like?
Month of September, yes, some one or two wedding content creating, and then that of some shows here and there. So I mean, it's been good, rough and smooth, I would say.
I see. Do you have any upcoming projects?
Yes, we have some. This thing. It's not actually my personal project, but then a colleague's work.
Okay.
We have some comedy shows that I'll be performing on. Yes, so.
Well, wishing you all the best, and I'll make
Thank
sure
you.
I come. This one day, I've never been to a comedy show before.
Oh, then this is opportunity for
Yeah,
you to.
I've actually never been to a comedy show before. I don't know why I haven't been to one.
So it's an opportunity for you to
Yes,
attend one.
this one day I must show up.
Yeah.
I will come. So put it in mind. But if I come, you have to give me shout out too.
Of course, I'll give you shout out.
Well, if
I'll
I
give
come
you-
and you're doing your session, you have to give me shout out. Say, oh, shout out to Yavita, my girl.
No,
Yeah.
you are going to give more vibe.
You
know.
understand? Sure. Me me must show kwa. Me baba ma me shout out. Me bana sa kwa. Na take na me talk I say, "Sikala me ehun adwuma sana me dey by." So you give me shout out. You go give and you no go give.
I give you self already.
Period. Then I will be there.
Yeah,
And
you
of
should be
course,
there.
we've got she's a consultant, and she's Anastasia Fiatonu.
Yes.
Hi, can I call you Anas?
Yes, you
Is that
can.
fine?
Yes, it's
Okay.
fine.
Anas, hey, because Anas, I'm going Anas, I read me young Anas. I want to yeah, I die that chilling yeah. But Anas, how are you doing?
I'm good. And you?
So my producer tells me you're her older sister.
Yes, I am.
What is it like being a consultant?
I'm actually working on a project right now in the finance department. So
Ooh.
yes.
See, say finance. I'm thinking about money. Money. If it isn't about money, don't call my name. But thank you so much for coming.
You're
Guys,
welcome.
thank you so much. I really appreciate you
Thank you.
coming. Now, today's story it is some story. And I'm saying it's some story because I feel like some of us have been in that position before, where somebody that you revere, somebody that you respect is doing something and you don't know whether you should say it or you should keep your mouth shut. But we're going to hear today's story. My boss's big secret. Hello, MX24. I've never shared this with anyone, but it's been eating at me for months. Last year, I landed my dream internship at a top media agency. I was paired with one of the most respected producers in the industry. She was powerful, confident, and walked like she owned every room she entered. I wanted to be just like her. One day, we were prepping a major pitch. She left the room to take a call and asked me to finalize a few slides on her laptop. That's when I saw a folder titled Confidential. I shouldn't have opened it, but I did. Inside were full presentations and scripts, all bearing another agency's logo. Word for word, exactly what she had been presenting as her original work. Hey, plagiarism. I was shocked. The next day, She delivered that pitch and won the deal. Her wins kept stacking. Clients adored her. Of course, they're going to adore her. Promotions came in fast, but I couldn't unsee what I had seen. Then, just before my internship ended, she offered me a permanent role, high salary, directly under her. But in this business, she said, you need to understand what silence is worth. I haven't signed the contract yet. I need the money, the exposure, the mentorship, but I also know the truth and what she's capable of. If you were me, would you accept the job and stay quiet or walk away and maybe regret it forever? This, see, let me tell you, let me just put it out there that this Ghana that's work is hard to come by. The way I would do like I am blind, I'll put plaster over my eyes and pretend as if I have not seen anything and just move on because you're going to say something. It's okay, I don't want to talk plenty. We've got our guest. I've got Greg here. I've got a nurse here. Let me start with Greg. Our intern, she has told us what she has seen. She's asking us, should I go and say something or I should keep quiet and keep my integrity? If you were her, what would you do?
For me, if I were here,
Yes.
I'll keep quiet.
You keep quiet.
The point is, I'm not there to eat into the person I am working.
In other words,
life.
you came to Swuja. You did not come to share in Kwemu.
Exactly. And secondly, so no, you are working for the person.
Yes.
You are not there to fish out the
Information.
secrets. So if you have opportunity,
we have somebody called Anas. Anas, are you there? Anas. Why you won't say oh yeah? Information you have Please continue.
so if you have an opportunity
Yeah.
to go through her laptop or your boss laptop, and
Why
then
are you even going to the laptop?
No.
in the first place?
no, sometimes he give you a work and then you saw something out of
Oh, me go be
inquisitive.
me
So
consent
you
me.
yes,
They
for
say this is
consenting.
confidential.
Confident and you
see,
the word confidential. No?
Exactly.
That is why you enter.
Exactly.
There are things sometimes there are things you think you are hiding, or most often you see on social media a lady will post a picture, then all of a sudden they will put an emoji. We want to see what is there.
Exactly. Why have you put there?
Yeah, so if you don't put it there, the attention will not
attention will go there.
go. So the point is that confidential there will trigger you to go. Yes,
get
when
to
you
go.
watch it, let it be with you and the laptop.
Uh-huh.
Nothing concern Massa about this one.
Uh-huh.
You
Hey.
get what I'm saying? So you keep it. At the end of the day, if you release the secret, how much will they pay you?
They will not even pay. They will only say thank you so much for bringing it to our attention. We really appreciate your
efforts.
And they will not even give you that position.
again. Say unko we lose. Also so I say because you are concerning the person you have told me now say this girl Ankasa no the way she has been able to come and tell us. If we employ her,
Yes.
she will also go and tell somebody else. So, alright, we thank you very much. Your integrity is highly appreciated. Bye bye. It's very
Integrity.
possible.
You're talking about integrity. What your integrity must be for your boss. So that you see, if you are working with somebody, you have to have a relationship where there are things your boss will tell you because he knows you can keep a secret. If your boss doesn't have confidence in you, there are things he or she. I have worked with so many people. In fact, Decent is one of the people I work with. There are things I know about Decent. There is no way I'll say it anywhere. It's between me, and there are things I know about him that he himself may not know.
That you
But
know,
I
yeah.
will keep it to myself. That should rather bond me with the
Yes.
work we are doing
Yeah.
together. So I know that, okay, at this point, of course, we all learn from somewhere. So what you have seen, maybe he learned it from what you have sin. So he's practicing. If that your boss is practicing it, why don't you also learn something from that?
Start doing that.
Everything small, everything small,
small. At the end,
Chrono kakra, intro kakra, secret kakra, ejuma so kakra. Sanity,
now what just can it be brave?
bebre. Anas, what do we think? If you were here as an intern, you've seen your boss. Hey, boss is so for about everything word for word like that.
But then is she giving me the job based on the fact that I actually saw what she
No,
did?
I don't think the boss knows that she has seen it. But the boss is just telling her that this job there, your silence is very valuable. Do you understand? Your silence will determine how high you can go.
Okay. In the first place, sometimes some secrets are just kept in the wardrobe. It's like some skeletons are just kept. You don't have to release them. And moreover, in the first place, as they said, it was confidential. I've already broken that loyalty by going to peep whilst I'm not supposed to.
Boss folder when
yeah, so it already goes against my integrity. I've already broken something in the first place, but then if she's not giving me the job based on the fact that I saw this, I'll gladly accept it, but I just have to be careful not to toe in that line in the future, because right now she's like my role model. So the probability of in the future I'll be like, hey, she got this, she got that, so I'll be like, okay, then I can also toe this line. No, it means I also have to tread cautious. But now, as you said from the beginning, getting a job is really difficult. And she said it's my dream job. Who doesn't want to work in a dream job in the first place? Yes, but I'll just be careful not to toe that line. Yes.
But so Anna, do you feel like the fact that we want some sort of financial security, or we want to advance in our career, does it justify compromising our value?
No,
because
no.
I want to get there.
No.
I shouldn't. But if we're saying that because, I mean, obviously she wants to advance in her career, she shouldn't say anything.
No, but she being a whistleblower, that's the word. It can cause her so many things, especially if she doesn't tell the right person. What if the company she's working for, they are already aware?
Yeah.
So this can cause a lot of problems for her.
Now,
Maybe
if I
that
see
can
something
even
like
end
this,
your
I would just
career.
assume say a test near the mommy will do many.
Yes, exactly.
I will assume they are testing me because I should go and say it. Me, I beg go. I'm not going to say anything. Greg.
You see, everything you see, it's not everything you see. Okay, there are things you see, it makes you to learn.
Yes.
There are things you see, it makes you to be conscious of what you are doing. So there are times you may not plan to see someone's secret, but you saw it. Then you put yourself in order. What if you were in that person's position? You got what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So sometimes there are things you may see that the person you are working with or the person you are with may not see.
Yeah.
But it helps you to learn and shape yourself.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So for her to go into that folder, yes, she has broken the trust.
Yes.
But then, every boss that gives you something to handle knows that probably you
the
can
probability
enter.
of you, yes.
He knows that this cap, when I give it to you, you can break it. But he wants to give it to you and see whether you can keep it. Or even if it breaks, can you replace it? Or can you keep it? That is why it's given to you. So the person giving you the laptop is personal.
Very, very personal.
Like you go to a place, maybe you are an assistant to your boss. He gives you the phone. He say, pick my call.
He trusts you.
That is trust. So if, let's say you are a lady, and you know the wife, and then a different lady call through that phone, how are you going to respond to it? Are you going to tell the wife? At the end of the day, it is the trust the person has for you. That is why he has entrusted his everything to you. Because so many, me like this, my phone is my everything. When you take my phone, you have taken my life. You have taken the people I'm speaking to. You have taken my destiny helpers. But I have entrusted it in you.
Yeah.
So sometimes when to get job in this world is difficult.
It's very difficult.
that is when you get somebody who trusts you to work with you. You hold the person high esteem. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, and you know the person's secret in his power. And you know, the person, they have this saying that your secret is your power. So if you get somebody's secret, it means you have hold the person's power. What is so beautiful that you are holding your boss power and you are still loyal to that boss? There are things, you see, it's about time people learn how to be loyal to people.
Exactly.
There are things that you will see, you don't have to say
You
it.
have to say it,
You have to
yeah.
take it to the grave. When I finish working with you, let's say you are my boss today, and I move from here, your things I can't say it to this my boss. Never.
That's true.
Because the things, the way I relate with you is different from the way I'll relate with my new boss. Yes, maybe when I see you as a boss, there are way we shake hands. As for you, you says I should bow. So you adjust to
What? Yeah.
you
Yeah.
adjust to
Wherever
the
you are.
situation at that point.
Exactly.
Yes, this story is just like you are saying my story in a different manner. Honestly, so you have to fall in the position where the person you are working with will trust you. Maybe he knows that you have seen that secret. That's confidential. Well, okay, this girl was able to see this thing. There are things, sometimes you give something to someone or you give your phone to someone, you know that, Charlie, while reading me message, the possibility is any partner reading message, you feel it.
Yeah.
But Nipana and Kashi, you are still moving. What?
That you want to go and say something.
No, you for keep quiet.
Madam Integrity near.
No, that one self no be integrity.
So Cindy, should I my integrity?
Your integrity is what? Your integrity is the person giving you money.
Because the other person, they don't even know you.
Exactly.
Now they know you and my internship
Can you imagine? Obi chuma na wanya or fro. Someone is work.
Yeah.
And he called you. So who are you going to be loyal to? Let's say in this company, you call me on board. Who should I be loyal to? Is it the company or the person who called me? I have to be loyal to you. Through if I am honest and loyal to you, through me working for you, the company may see my loyalty and employ me.
That's very true. Now, Anas, do you feel like with the kind of world that we're in now, I mean, obviously, like the way we've all said, sometimes it's hard to get jobs.
Yes.
Imagine landing your dream job. Do you think that anybody can survive in like the various industries or survive in the working world without playing dirty?
I think once my boss said something about people being smart in the business world, like it's only the smartest people who move ahead. So once a while, people have played that dirty game to get to the top, but everything has its consequences. Like some of us, like me per se, my guilty conscience really disturbs me a lot. So I wouldn't take certain risks because, like, within me, I will be asking myself questions. Like, nobody doesn't even have to come and point to me that this is the bad thing I've done. But within me, my guilty conscience will be disturbing me. So I feel like in this world, we don't really have to play the dirty game to move to the top. But then people are doing that to get to the top.
But don't you think that the people that are actually, have you realized that the people that are actually playing dirty are actually winning at life?
Yes.
Than the ones playing the, me dear,
the gentle ones, yes.
I'm going to wait for my time. When the time is right, God's time is the best. I'm going to wait till I get my promotion. Somebody will go and play dirty, then $1 million boom in their account. Does it not make you feel like, maybe let me play dirty once in a while?
No, but then let me just bring in the Bible. Some people were able to wait upon the Lord. Like in the book of Tobit, like this, Sarah had to, the devil was attacking her in the way. She lost a lot of husbands. But she waited, and at the long run, she got somebody. She didn't cut anything. We can take Elizabeth as an example. We can take Mary and Joseph. Joseph could have just left Mary. Yes, so I think like God's time is the best.
Yes.
Like for you, you might play dirty to get it now. I will take my time. And I believe that at God's time, maybe it can come maybe at the age of 60 years. As they said, the KFC man started inventing when he was 60 years and above. Maybe that is when mine will come because I didn't play the
But
dirty game.
there are certain people. I'm happy. I'm hearing this from Anas, right, Greg? But there are certain people that I don't want to call it impatience, but they just feel like it must come now. Like, it's now or never.
Yes.
I mean, that's one of the reasons why young guys of nowadays are. Some of them are trying to go into different.
Sakawa and those
You understand?
yes.
Because all China 60 years and then wabenyeska and now 40, 30 crowd watch it. 30 no crowd watch do you understand? And so a lot of these people believe that once in a while you gotta play it dirty. If it were you, okay, wait, not if it were you, do you believe in that? Like, let's play it dirty a bit and see.
I believe in being smart. To be smart doesn't mean you should play a dirty game.
Okay, but what does it mean?
Okay, let's get it right. To be smart, to play dirty, to be corrupt is different from to be smart. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
When let's say in the case, the story, I'm using the story case, and you realize the boss is smart. Maybe she may not have the idea of how to go about her presentation.
But then she's smart, but to what end? We have read stories, watched movies where at the long run, later on in life, these things will come back to bite you. Then your hard and all
money
the
and
certificates,
reputation,
everything just goes to the drain.
So you see, when you are playing smart, you play smart such a way that you don't leave any loopholes.
Traces.
That's why it is called smart. I'm not saying dirty game. I believe in time, because when times heat up with you, you end up getting things on a silver platter.
Yeah.
Like this year, I have experienced that a lot. At first, I want to do jack of all trade. I want to do this. I want to do that. I want to be an MC. I want to be a comedian. I want to be a superstar. I'm doing everything some. But I realized I have to focus on one. To be smart, sometimes you need to focus on one particular thing. It may take time. But at the long run, you realize you get to a certain point. Someone will call you. I've seen you MC before. Can you do something for me? They come and stand in for me. Oh, you're a very great comedian. Can you perform at this? Then what you are not even looking at keeps coming to you.
Yeah.
Then you get all the money from that angle. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So what am I trying to say is, you need to be smart, but don't be corrupt. And believe in time. When you believe in time, at the right time, things will fall in place for you. Because of pressure from other side.
Yes.
From other side. Me, as I sit here, nothing they push me. Look, I believe that I am ahead of some people. And I also believe that people are ahead of me. And there are people looking up to me, just as I'm also looking at other people. So I don't see why somebody that I was in the same class with buy Rolls Royce and not buy, it will worry me.
I think a lot of things are also influenced by the pressure. Because nowadays, the last time I saw something on social media where it says that there's no stressful human being than people or young people between the ages of 20 to 26 that think that they have run out of time, so they have to do something. They have to do something, and that's where the dirty games come in. You see, that's where the dirty games come in. But if we're bringing it back to the writer who has written to us, I just think, like you said, her allegiance is towards her boss. Like, if you think about it, the allegiance is towards the boss. Me, if I come to work and I see my boss doing something, as if it's not directly affecting me, I don't think it is my place to go and do this one. Because I also feel like even if I go to the to the higher ups and go and tell them something, they'll actually turn everything back on me and say that me mom, I'm kokonsa. I don't know how to mind my business. And just because I don't want to be in the Concourse spirit, we're going for a short break. We'll be right back. What's up, Charlie? The Cowbell Coffee with you every moment promo is still on. And by popular request, we have extended it to the 30th of September 2025. Yes, you asked and we listened. So far, our lucky winners across the country have won amazing prizes ranging from all expense paid trips to Cape Town, cash prizes from 1,000 to 20,000 Ghana cedis, smart TVs and smartphones, subscriptions to Netflix, Spotify, Uber, all that you can think of, branded souvenirs, products, and more. You could also win these and many more, and Charlie, we are not even done yet. The grand prize, the Suzuki Jimmy SUV, is still up for grabs. Getting in is easy. Just buy 10 promo sachets of Cowbell Coffee, send the unique codes inside to star 713 star 27 hash, or scan the QR code on the sachet to enter on the microsite. Every 10 sachets equals one entry. Every one entry equals one chance to win. Don't let this extended chance pass you by. Look sharp and win big. Follow at cowbellcoffee.gh on socials for updates. Cowbell Coffee with you every moment. Now we're back. We're going to continue the conversation. The producer's line, she said, you need to understand what silence is worth. Is this mentorship or manipulation?
Well, we can say both because in their line of business, I think they are just like media people like you. So I think in a way she's mentoring her by telling her that this is what we do in the business. But if she has actually perceived that she has opened the confidential documents, then I can say it is a threat as well.
Do you feel like the reason why the producer said this was because she had realized that she had opened the
I think so.
This one? Because I wanted to assume that maybe she didn't know, but the way the producer said that thing, I have a feeling that she might. Not that I didn't, like Greg mentioned, once she's giving you the laptop is a very personal thing. So I'm sure she knew, said, gay, we be a gay.
Yes.
She has seen
You
what.
can even go to your recent documents
and
then
see
it pops up that unless the intent was smart enough to go and delete it.
She's not smart.
She's not. Greg, what do you think? You think this is manipulation or this is proper mentoring? Like, I'm teaching you everything about the work, but I'm also teaching you that silence is worth your success in this job.
Of course, silence is good. So you are being mentored. Because, I mean, if what your boss is practicing is what he is telling you. So this is what I have done and this is what I have become. So if you want to be like me, you need to be quiet because I don't talk. Even if I see somebody's thing and I go and copy, I keep quiet.
Word for word. Don't be small. Because this one day you didn't do the copy, but don't let the teacher know. This one you did copy, but let the teacher know.
At the end of the day, if even the original come, the person where they see is what we will talk about. Let's say
I don't see anything there.
Let's say we all.
By then, me being an intern and I'm going to work under her, what will I be learning working under her? Because
everything's so
because now it's like she's not doing anything on her own. She's virtually copying everything. So I think it will even make me think twice about taking the job.
I feel like if it was me, I would take the job, but I will once say human beings. That's why God gave us brains. We should be able to deduce the right things from the wrong things. So I can learn everything from you, but I'll also unlearn certain things that you're teaching me. maybe I won't be like my boss. My boss decides to go and copy somebody else. Maybe I'll decide to use ChatGPT.
Or I can just be smart enough. When I get the job, I'll just say, oh, I don't want to work under her, or maybe something
Simple,
like that when
because
it
I'm
gets
a
to.
dream job there. I will do something that will make you remove me from. See, let me tell you something, and this is actually a true story. When I started off with journalism, I was doing news, right?
Okay.
I was doing news. It was amazing. At that time I wasn't even interested in anything that has to do with entertainment or anything. But there was an incident that happened. I didn't directly say, "Oh, I want to leave. I want to go to entertainment." No, small.
You
I was
fooled
removing
away.
myself, small. Oh, then before
Now
they realized
you are the
that I've
entertainment.
entered into entertainment,
Yes.
I was doing
That
another
is being
segment.
smart in the
Do
world.
you
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
That this girl is supposed to go and say that thing bang like that.
No,
You know, say bang like that. What's the best you? You be hot.
Probably the lady, she has her own style of doing stuff, but because of Juma 70, like work is not there, so I'm under somebody.
Yeah.
Yes, so doing intentions right. So if you are there, you have your style. You see, everybody is created unique. Sometimes me, for instance, if I want to write comedy,
Yeah.
I hate to think too much. I'm the type, I don't think too much. So I would rather watch somebody.
Okay.
He's
Then
bringing
you
out
get the
a certain point.
motivation.
Then I'll bring those points down and write my own style of comedy. Probably you are speaking about an Ashanti, how they behave and whatever. I will go and put it in my airway style. Okay, if this person is an airway, so I'm cracking your joke,
In a
but
different
you
way.
will love my style because
Yes.
that is how life
Yes.
is. So
Sometimes quite the way you even put it and present it will even be different
From
From
you.
the way
exactly.
the person
Yes.
exactly.
So you have your style, but you have to learn from your boss to adapt to what you have. Don't go and do exactly like your boss. Everybody you are copying your
You're
boss.
copying your
Yes.
boss. That's
But
true.
if your boss is a copycat, oh okay, why is she doing copycat? Me, I'm original. Can I add copycat to my original? Then it
I
becomes
feel like this world, everybody is copying somebody.
exactly.
Whether you like it or not, we are all copying
As they
somebody.
said, there's nothing new under the sun.
Sun.
You
But
get-
we just try
Look,
and
I think a year ago, this TikTok, there was a lady that was cooking. She will cook from scratch. That's for that. Even if she wants bread, she will cook everything from scratch. She want ice cream, she will make it from scratch. She started, everybody was saying, you're doing too, no. By the next week, two other people too have started the same content, but they have just changed their own
something small.
in it. So me, I feel like people copy everybody. Do you
Yeah.
understand? This story was posted on our social media platforms, and the comments were hilarious. I want us to go through some of the comments. So Delajo says, "Don't keep quiet, mind your business, get paid and go home, and you will see." Nana Champong says, "You are really asking us this question in this era of unemployment. Afina wepa damre wobanchinye." Oh. Chris Mavio says, "And this was so serious that your pen is broken." You get. Benaya McCarthy says, "Keep quiet, learn what you have to learn, get the money and exposure, and leave. Also, pray before you do anything or before you even listen to us." Kisby says, "In this era, who even names confidential documents confidential? Hey, name it family hangout or something unrelated to confidential. Boy." You know what? That's what I was about to come and say, because me, if I have confidential things, I won't write confidential. I'll write something common, like maybe BTS or camera guy, just so your mind will not
No
come
go
to
come
it.
there.
Look, when we were younger, I think JHS, SHS, boys who go and download like pornographic material and they'll save it on their phones, but they don't even save it as that. They'll even save it as music. They will never
prayer
save it.
point.
You don't say, if you save it at XXX video
Hey,
or porno, everybody who takes the phone will know
who know that is it.
there's
That is
something.
porno.
And now I've taken your phone. Then every app be I have
Jesus
put,
film.
face ID.
ID.
I will know there's something. Now that will make me more curious.
Yes,
I always say this. If I'm dating somebody, and I know that at the time that we were dating, your phone was free, we were like, I could just use your phone to even check things. Then all of a sudden,
You lock it.
you come
Yeah,
and
you
you
put
have changed your
password.
password. First thing, you have changed password. You put password on all the apps, missing and saying, Missy photos for the password.
Can you imagine?
Note, password, message, password, health, password.
What are you
is
looking
on your
for?
phone that it is so like I don't understand. Hey, more comments. So Miss Tina says, I think you should mind your business, dear. Zip it and take the money. GHDZ says, this is so simple. Just shut up and get paid. Prince Kutini says, just keeping quiet is difficult for you. You just receive your 24-hour economy. But Jimmy and T, you will lose it.
You will lose it.
Is keeping quiet too difficult to do? So, Feli Closet says, it was named confidential for a reason. So why will you even open it? Just do your work, get paid, and go home. NS says, this is never an issue. In a business line, keeping quiet is very, very important. The power of secrecy. Sign the contract. Caleb says, no, go to Antenna and expose them. They will give you a job there. Seven Soul says, you intruded into her privacy by opening confidential folder. Some secrets are best left alone. And I completely agree with him. First of all, you know, say this thing, it's possible they can turn it on him.
Yes.
You go and say, they'll say, what were you doing opening confidential documents? Now,
What
how
are
will
you
you
looking for
explain? Now, will you say that, please, I saw confidential, so something forced me. They can't even trust you.
Did I ask you to open?
Hey, Adi, it's confidential for a reason. Who asked you to open it? But you see, that's the thing. Oh. When you put something confidential, that's when people actually become curious. Like the example you gave, if you post a picture with a guy and you blur his face, that's
we
when
want to see.
we will go and do research.
In fact, we remove the emoji.
Exactly. They will find a way. I remember a couple of years ago, there was this trend that came. People would do, put your head on my shoulder.
Yeah.
Then I think when the thing breaks, they are naked though, but there's a red light, so you can't really see the person's nakedness. Not knowing, people have also developed another
we will screenshot it
to actually filter that filter, and they were seeing people's nakedness. And say, why would you do this to your own self?
You think you are fast?
You can't.
We are faster.
If you are fast, you hurry up.
Like for instance, example, the ladies who try to just use their boyfriend, take their boyfriend's pictures, like only the hand, the tie.
Thank you. Thank you. Somebody did some. There was an influencer. She not post his face, so his neck, his ears, his hand.
We will go to profile. We will go to profile. We will go and look at it.
Then so people had the time. They put the ears, the neck, the hands all together.
We will join it to
then
Lego.
They left the part where, like, you see, if it's neck, so the head part and the body part. Then they started filtering everything.
Massa.
When she goes to an event and people post like videos from their POV, they try to know who she was standing next to
with.
And try to compare if the same neck is the same neck she was posting. And they found out. Almost finding out any did attempt.
Investigation. We know how to do it. Me see, comment section here though.
You see sometimes the video is not as funny as
the comment section.
No. If you want to enjoy social media, is a comment section.
It's the comment section.
Yeah, exactly.
What will you hide in? If you hide something, people will definitely find out.
Yeah.
And me, I've always said that this life thing, like we all mentioned before, some secrets are best left alone. Some things are there when you see it. Now people will even find their boyfriends and their husbands cheating on them, and they choose not to say anything. Now you're going to see confidential document. You want to go and say something. Hey, it doesn't work like that. But Greg, do you think young people who find themselves in professional settings are compelled or they are pressured to, do certain things because of the supervisors or the bosses that they have?
For me, I feel every work or every profession has its own rules and regulation. As a media person, there are things you can't do outside. There are things you can't say, or there are things you cannot portray out there.
Yeah.
The same thing if you go to the people who are into health, the health sector.
Yes,
there are
that's
things
true.
you can't do.
I'm
Even
sorry
as a
to
social...
even cut you. There was a time, just about a month ago, there was a hospital in the US where they work with women, right? And I don't know why they thought it was a good idea. They decided to make a TikTok video
Yes.
of like when their clients came. So the POV was, do your clients give you gifts or anything? And can you imagine these doctors and nurses made a video of, when you examine a woman, there are like liquids and things that come out, and they made a video of that and they posted it on social media. And they have all been fired from
they'll be fired.
straight up.
They will be fired.
Yes.
So there are some things in our workplaces. Nobody has to come and tell you that keep quiet. You yourself, you have to learn to keep quiet.
The ethic, you have to follow the ethic. So, I mean, if I want to be a doctor, like as a comedian, there are things I know when to crack joke. I know when not to crack joke.
Yes.
You don't push me to go and crack joke. No. When I have my people I want to crack joke, I will crack joke. So it's my ethic. When I have to be serious about matters, I know I have to be serious about matters. When I'm in that comedy element too, I am there.
Yeah.
So you have to know that this is what I am doing, this is what entails, this is my responsibility as a worker over there. Keeping quiet is everywhere.
Mind your business, Keke.
There are hospitals that you have, you do your test, you go for a lab. It's only you and the doctor that knows. The moment the doctor releases it, it's a problem.
Yes.
The same thing. Yes.
That's with the doctor field, but in the accounting field, we have 5 ethical principles. Yes, and confidentiality is one. Like you being an accountant in the first place, you are broken that rule, like confidentiality. But then the threat to is also against that ethical principle. The manager has broken that because the manager has threatened you in a way. Then taking the job in our accounting field is not right. In the first place, your ethical principle, you are asked to go to the superior and report what you have seen as an accountant. Yes, you have to report this is what you have seen. And we are told if nothing is done, you can go to the next higher level. It depends on the field you are working. So eventually, if you feel you are not being heard, you are asked to resign or just leave the company. So I think confidentiality and keeping quiet depends on the field you are working in, the field you find yourself in. Yes.
And that's very true, because even in the media field, for example, many times we are encouraged to come out with the truth. It doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't matter how it's going to affect you. But again, let's be realistic. How many times have we found certain journalists were like, this journalist, especially when it comes to like politics, say, journalists, no, NDC for or not TNDC for anything, and I say, but you see that same journalist with the MPP, hey, journalists, we are shorting, and it just has to do. Some people can compromise on certain things. For some people, they cannot do that. So, like Anna said, it just has to do with the career, and then I also think that it also has to do with your moral compass. Many of the things that we do is because, my morals have taught me I shouldn't say this. My morals have taught me I shouldn't do that. And the reality of life. That's why I started off by saying that me,
that's all.
I know they talk anything.
Mind your business.
If you want to go, if you like, you want to copy the entire word, madam, please go ahead and be copying the entire word. You understand? But then my question now is, what if she decides to keep quiet? She gets the job, right? She signs the contract. She decided she's not going to be bothered about what has happened. She's moving on with life. And the truth comes out later. Do you think she will be in trouble?
I don't think she will be in trouble because she never received an award in the first place. Her name is not signed on it. But she might be implicated if the boss comes out to say, this was the reason why I gave you the job. Yes, but I doubt at that time.
But what if the boss says, okay, I agree, yes, I did this, but she was also there with me when we were working on that project. No, but when you were
receiving the award, everything you were getting was my name.
That's one day it happens. So sometimes you can help your boss, then at the end of the day, they're going to mention only your boss' name, that he's the one that did all the work. See, let me tell you something. Sometimes these manufacturing companies, they'll do company awards and then they'll win it. You see the CEO going to collect the award,
But
laughing
now,
and smiling. Meanwhile, he has not even stepped into the office the entire year. The people that actually did the job, they're sitting at the office.
He was,
you understand?
He was giving moral support, calling to check up. How is the work going?
So what if she comes to say, okay, yes, I copied, but she was there with me when I copied. She was the one that typed everything for me.
But at the end of the day, she's not the one. I'm not the one who help you.
Okay, some people, they know how to twist stories.
Exactly.
If a boss who is telling the worker that he should be quiet, and they caught you, and they catch that boss, and he can't keep quiet about it, then I think the problem is not the worker, it's the boss.
Now, if you catch me and my boss say that I'm Pata, I would say, please look at our WhatsApp chat too. Me, I wasn't Pata. She's the one that told me that.
What is the evidence that I'm part? It
so
is
you were
not
working hand in hand with her.
It's not my laptop.
But why would you even give up my name in the first place? As a boss, you should be able to protect your...
You protect
You don't know
me.
human beings. Some people are there. If we go there, we go there together. You don't know them.
Oh no! But then you want to employ me, and the first advice you are giving me is I should be
Which
silent.
was a threat.
If
That
you think
threat.
it's a threat,
And then now that you have your problem,
You are
you
coming to
want
mention
to
my name.
no, it's your problem. If I want to be part of the problem, I would have spelled it out.
That's true. But wait.
Because I have every evidence to say oh, laptop no kramianam. I can copy it. That file confidential. I can copy it.
Me and Kasana announce again. She should have duplicated the folder.
No.
Blackmail her boss. Say, hey, you see the contract you gave me. You say you are giving 5,000 cedis a month, my dear.
I
Make
don't
it
think
8.
You like
she's
money,
bold
pa.
enough.
Make it 8. The girl, yeah, I feel like she's not, because somebody that's thinking about whether she get integrity. Masa, me blackmail you crack.
Oh, fear slim ladies.
Me bow blackmail, Mr. Madam. The contract you gave me, say you say 5K a month. I have some information that you love to not let me spill it. Yeah, you 80. And I 7.5 for kura.
Oh, me ukra. Spell it out. Yeah, do it.
Say it. You want to blackmail me? Me, I always say this. If somebody wants to blackmail me, I'll ask you, what is it that you want to blackmail? You say a video or something. Say, my dear, post. Because
I want to
even if I pay you, you will still post. So post it so that everybody will know.
The earlier the better.
This one after 1 week, people will forget.
Yes, I won't even think about it too much.
This one there's no But we've got into my favorite part of the show. Look into my eyes. I want you to look into my eyes. Hey, my R&B. I'm in my R&B era. But guys, this is the first time you're on the show. So look into my eyes. You look directly at your camera and you lay a piece of advice to our dear writer. So let's start with you, Anas. You look directly into your camera and give her a piece of advice.
Okay, to my writer, what I can say is if you feel within yourself, you won't feel okay. You will always be disturbed by the fact that you were threatened already and you still accepted the job. Then don't go for it. Yes, that is what I'll say. Because me being the accounting profession, that's what I've been taught. Our integrity matters a lot. And everything shows that that job is not right because, hey, you're going to work under somebody who is copying others to make it. Like, what exactly are you going to learn from the person? That's what I can say.
Greg. Can be beaten and whammy.
My sister, don't let anybody deceive you. Say, job, there is better job. My sister, mind your business and take the money and be promoted. My sister, keep quiet. What I see, mouth can decide not to talk about it. So don't say anything. No, chop the money. The money is very necessary. You may lose that job, and that is it. You won't get anywhere.
Very, very true. Me, I say if I want to leave a piece of advice, maybe they'll take me off air. Because me, nothing concern me, oh. The one who collect that contract, bring it, let me start. I will start with blue pen, black parrot. What? You guys, like the dream job yet. You don't want that dream job. But guys, Betway is stepping it up to give their fans even more back with Betway rewards. Whenever you bet on sports or casino, you will earn points that can be converted into cash. It's that easy. The best part is that you can convert whenever you want and can withdraw the funds or use them to place new bets. No strings attached. So start enjoying a whole new way to get rewarded with Betway. Only at betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply, and it's regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Please bet responsibly. No under 18. Betway, get away more. And of course, Telecel says they've got exciting news for you. More data, same price. Telecel bundle allocations have been reviewed and now offer 10% more data at the same old price. In addition, your favorite 400 Ghana cedis data bundle allocation has increased from 190 gigabytes to 250 gigabytes and does not expire. This means you get to enjoy more data at no extra cost. Simply dial star 700 hash or star 530 hash to access a variety of unbeatable data deals on Telecel. Don't miss out on these enhanced offers. Stay connected with Telecel today. Telecel, connecting energies. But guys, here's where we draw down the curtain for today's show. I hope we were able to mend this pen to the best of our abilities. Anas and Greg, thank you so much for coming in studio today. I had an amazing conversation with you guys. It wouldn't have been possible, all of this wouldn't have been possible without Telecel Ghana, Betway, and of course, Cowbell Coffee. To our crew backstage, we say thank you for all of your efforts in making this show a success. I'll see you same time next week. My name is Rumeti Abita. Peace out.